Calcium is the most abundant mineral in the body, vital for strong bones and teeth, and important for heart health, muscle function, and nerve signaling. Calcium intake requirements vary by age, and it's important to meet them to maintain strong bones and support overall health. Babies, 0–6 months, 200 milligrams. Infants, 7–12 months, 260 milligrams. Children, 1–3 years, 700 milligrams. Children, 4–8 years, 1,000 milligrams. Preteens and teens, 9–18 years, 1,300 milligrams. Adults, 19–50 years, 1,000 milligrams. Males, 51–70 years, 1,000 milligrams. Women, 51–70 years, 1,200 milligrams. Adults, 71+ years, 1,200 milligrams. Pregnant and nursing women, 1,000 to 1,300 milligrams, depending on age. While most people associate calcium with dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt, you can actually find more calcium in a variety of other foods. Here are 5 surprising foods that provide more calcium than milk, helping you build stronger, healthier bones. Canned sardines with bones. Sardines are not only rich in omega-3 fatty acids, but also an exceptional source of calcium when consumed with the bones intact. Just 3 ounces of canned sardines offer up to 325 milligrams of calcium, which is more than what you get from a glass of milk. Sardines are an excellent choice for those looking to boost their calcium intake while also benefiting from heart-healthy fats. Fortified orange juice. While citrus fruits themselves aren't naturally high in calcium, many brands of orange juice are fortified with this essential mineral. A cup of fortified orange juice can contain around 350 milligrams of calcium, surpassing the calcium content found in a cup of milk. It's a great dairy-free option for individuals who are lactose intolerant or simply prefer plant-based sources. Tofu with calcium sulfate. Tofu, particularly when made with calcium sulfate during the production process, is a fantastic plant-based source of calcium. Half a cup of this type of tofu provides approximately 400 milligrams of calcium, which is even more than what you'd find in a glass of milk. Incorporating tofu into your diet is not only a great way to support bone health, but also an ideal protein source for vegetarians and vegans. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a protein powerhouse, and it's also loaded with calcium. A cup of plain, low-fat Greek yogurt can provide up to 300 milligrams of calcium, making it an excellent snack or meal addition for those looking to strengthen their bones. It also has the benefit of being rich in probiotics, which support digestive health. Parmesan cheese. When it comes to cheese, Parmesan stands out as a calcium-rich option. Just 1 ounce of Parmesan cheese contains around 336 milligrams of calcium, making it one of the richest sources of calcium among cheeses. This hard, flavorful cheese can easily be grated over dishes or enjoyed as a snack, providing a delicious way to boost your daily calcium intake. Integrating these calcium-rich foods into your diet can help meet these daily needs and ensure your bones stay healthy and strong throughout your life. Whether you're lactose intolerant or simply looking for non-dairy options, these foods offer great alternatives to maintain optimal calcium intake. I truly appreciate your support and for taking the time to invest in your health. It's a pleasure to share this valuable information with you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe for more content on health and nutrition. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.